If Tibet was free, Tibet was occupied in 1950, Tibet must be free again. Here are some of the reasons. First, we had our own national flag, which has been raised for over a century. It is a symbol of our sovereignty, our pride, and our identity. No Chinese province has its own national flag, but Tibet does, because Tibet is a nation. Second, our language is completely different from a Chinese. Tibetan writing, grammar, and speech have no connection to Mandarin or Cantonese. We are not Chinese ethnicity. We are Tibetans with our own culture, our own language, and our own voice. Third, we had our own currency. A Tibetan tankard and a show were issued and used throughout our land. A separate economy and a separate monetary systems are characteristics of a sovereign nation. Fourth, we issued our own travel documents and postage stamps. Tibetan passport allowed travel abroad, and Tibetan stamps carried message across the Himalayas. That's not what province did. That's what countries did. Fifth, we had our own army. Tibetan soldiers defended our borders and our people. We were not protected by China. We defended ourselves. Sixth, we had a fully functioning government with a foreign relation. We signed treaties and sent envoys and met with the foreign leaders. Only an independent nation can do that. But these are not myths. These are historical facts. Tibet met the internationally recognized characteristics of a sovereign state. Then in 1950, China invaded Tibet. In 1951, under the threat of a war, Tibet was compelled to sign the 17-point agreement. A gun on the head is not consent. A silence is not acceptance. The Tibetan people have never given up our nation, and we never will. Tibet was a country. Tibet is a country. Tibet will always be country. Free Tibet, Pui Gelo, Pui Rangzin Gelo.